Dear student, in this video we are going to learn the topic estimation. What is estimation? Estimation is just to make a guess. When we don't know exactly something, we make a guess for our convenience. So let us come its application in mathematics and with respect to the numbers or the numerals in mathematics. So you will see our topic of discussion is estimation. The main point to learn the estimation is just to round off the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 10, 100 and 1000. So firstly we are going to learn how to round off the number, any number to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000. So let us start. I will give you example, just like this is 84. I can take any number. I take 84 and I have to round it off to the nearest 10. Now I will explain you two methods. So the first method is by the subtraction method. Now this is 84. 84 is lying between 80 and 90. Now what is the answer? Is the answer is 80 or 90? So why 80 and 90? As we are going to discussing to the nearest 10. Okay. So firstly there are two numbers of concern are, those are 80 and 90. As 84 lying between 80 and 90. After that, you will subtract the greater one from the smaller one from the greater one. So, you will subtract 84 from 90 and you will subtract 80 from 84. So, let us check the answers we got. Here, you will get the answer 4 and here you will get the answer 6. Now, you will have to see that 84 is nearer to which multiple of 10. Here its difference is only 4 and here 84's difference from 90 is 6. So my answer will be to the nearest number, that is to the 84 and that is 80. So if I am going to round off 84 to the nearest 10, the answer will be 80. As I round off to the nearest 10, then the answer is just like this. Now I will take another approach to round off to 84. So to the nearest 10 I have to round off to the nearest 10. So when I am going to round off to the nearest 10, I will have to see its unit digit. Now what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 4. If the unit digit is less than 5, then it will be less than 84, that is 80. And if the unit digit is 5 or more than 5, then its answer will be 90. Here the digit at one's place is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Therefore our answer is 80. Now these were the explanation of both the methods to make a number to the round off to the nearest 10 to 8. So in both the cases you will observe the answers are 80. As you see, the answers are in both the cases are 80. You can adopt any one method as per your convenience. This method works for every type of rounding off to the nearest 100 or the nearest 1000 also.